English broke,
Right.
but my love still fun.
Yes, okay.
Still full.
Of course.
Talk anyhow, laugh plenty.
Not
Wrong English,
wrong.
right funny.
Right, no. Right about 10.
The more wrong, the more strong.
Okay.
The laugh.
Okay, huh?
Half correct,
Half correct?
fully hilarious.
Full.
Bilang bikin na kada bikin na ouch palangi show hera matang di bengara di Kongo mela beta kada takan lonta hera buku di benen dervaki hera matang di kuwa and buku di broken English and ngoluciani and TV li bengara bi di paka tambi singa and VTF. We say handa benaka and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Yeah.
To all our friends, to all our fans tuning in this morning.
All right.
Wherever you are, maybe
are.
in the bus, in the taxi carrier. To all the students going to school this morning. To all the schools, students coming to Suva for the open day.
Okay.
So USP Open Day is on today. We say Andra and Burbanaka to all the students of Tabua College who are on their way to Suva this morning. Mimbiti ko nangone ni Benunga. Sama mai and mataka di pakatambe singani kwa.
Well, good morning to all the drivers joining this morning. Jay, that Timbu, this one, what you call?
What?
Accident was happening here
Kinoa light, yeah.
that caused the traffic this morning. Slowly, take your time, beneath yourself, wipe your eyes,
Right.
and be steady enough. Phone logi off.
Dira sa.
Kuni mga tarabon ngon bito saki. But be careful, some of the corner is very wide.
Right.
So we might think that the corner is short.
Yeah.
So that time you're gonna face a traffic light post.
Don't
Gonna hit it. All right.
Ndray okay, terus nanti kumata meron level kantor bitalo ta kan?
Okay.
Right, ako singe lamonga. Why do we yawn? Say what causes yawning?
What is yawning?
Menda lamaw.
O lamaw.
Yeah.
What causes yawning? There are different kind of yawning.
Yeah.
One yawning is when you want to sleep.
Yeah.
That's like the factory of yawning is coming right when you want to sleep.
Yeah.
Like it's training your mouth. When you train your mouth, it's like your leg. When you widen your leg,
What?
spread. You spread your leg, and you do the touching on the toes.
Yeah.
Touching on the toes. That's like in our mouth.
Yeah.
When you are yawning, you open your mouth. When you open your mouth, you elaborate your tongue to stretch nice full. Your mouth, your ngalang-ngalena, your chin to open wide. So that can help you because your mouth play a major role in your mind.
Oi.
Yeah. Sometimes when your ear is blocked, you open your mouth. You sneeze. You try to sneeze. Or you honing. Apa ya?
Lamaw yawning.
Yeah, that one. Kaya you open it. So sometimes when your eyes does not work, just block your nose. You transfer the air back to your head. Masuk anything. That one, when you use that kind, you'll feel the mouth. That's why yawning is coming to elaborate more on your life. Maybe mo kana nung bulo todo kalau main singa. Nanda keke estate, mulai ya masih.
Ada benda kejeta di biar benda tahu. Wasili ba kristal ada benda kasa. Sebenarnya juga serne nrakin patamatat juga na ngono go Simon Banube. Apakah kina bir tuno kada mai nanda keke estate na mata ka benda ka diko. Okay. Tell me Demesi.
All right.
Why are some people lazy?
Lazy? It's not a
what
gift.
What causes laziness?
Okay. Lazy is not a gift.
Okay.
It's not a talent. It's a choice.
Oi!
Okay, so talent because there's no one in this is for laziness.
Right.
Okay, so
very true. Right.
It's a choice.
Okay.
So whatever you do, it will be foundation in your mind.
Okay.
If your mind pollute you with laziness, I can't do it. So you yourself, you choose to be a laziness.
Right.
Nobody is in this earth. It's given. This is your talent. You'll be a laziness person.
Okay.
After a year, you'll receive a medal of laziness. No. You won't. It's not a gift or a talented.
Okay.
It's a choice.
Alright. Okay. Kaya taon rin na bisinga. Tukuro man tabi kaya na bitar terabni kaya doon nang bula, nang taba kasama na lo kani matanda, nang tamon na melege kadambote kina nang tandendre.
The laughing,
Yeah.
it's like a cycle.
Right.
Seni cycle. Nata mo kana tubutuban.
Yeah,
When
na
you coming,
process.
a process.
Yeah.
When you coming from the sea,
Yeah.
you see the ocean, eh?
Yeah.
The ocean. So when Tomba,
Yeah.
when you coming, Yamotu,
Right.
Nukurama.
Right.
After Nukurama, Ndebo.
Right.
After Ndebo, Lolombo.
Right.
After Lolombo, Nuku.
Do you remember Leon Tebo?
The Nuku.
Yeah.
After Nuku, then we call it Dandala.
Yeah.
After Dandala, another swamp.
Yeah.
Swamp, then Tirtiri.
Right.
Vetirtiri. After Vetirtiri, mangroves.
Right.
After mangroves, then
Woman
become...
grove.
Huh?
Mangroves, woman grove.
Woman grows me also. After mangroves,
Yeah.
then start to the land.
Okay, transfer that idea to
Yeah.
the laughing.
Or laughing.
Yeah.
When you see laughing, nobody can just tell like this, laughing.
Yeah.
First of all, you will hear
Okay.
or you will see.
Right.
When you see something,
Yeah.
it transfers to your head.
Right.
There's a different kind.
Yeah.
If you see the accent,
Yeah.
then goes together with the hearing.
Yeah.
When you hear and see,
Yeah.
that's very fast.
Right.
So when you hear
Yeah.
and you memorize in your head.
Right. Within a second, yeah.
Yeah, second,
Yeah.
you laughing.
Yeah.
Sometimes you laugh depend on where you stand.
Yeah.
You are in a public place where meeting is happening.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then start the engine of laughing. Mesa rua tonu to sande naman to sando mata.
Yeah.
Then the explode of laughing.
Okay, when we cry,
Yeah.
where does that tears come from?
That is coming.
The why?
That is there.
Is it where? Where?
That is our body
Yeah.
have so many water.
Yeah.
We can stand our life without water.
Right.
Water play a major role in our life.
Yeah.
From H2O
Yeah.
to our body.
Yeah.
So our body contain 60% of water.
Right.
So your body needs water to alive.
Yeah.
So when if you cut the hand,
Yeah. The head. Oi.
you see like this, when you pinch your skin,
Yeah.
if the skin coming out,
Yeah.
baka nakulin yang ni moko,
Yeah.
kumang misakambi,
Yeah.
that means less water in your body.
Oi.
Misakambi nakulin yang
Maybe less than 60%.
less 60% is very low.
Yeah.
So when you like this, sembari kambi kan balik, your body is saturated enough.
Alright.
Tiwa binakatukin naway.
Oi.
Iyo.
Okay.
So when you cry,
Yeah.
it's coming from emotion.
No. Oi, emotion. Yeah.
Emotion. You can just stand like this,
Yeah.
and you need water just coming from my eye.
Yeah.
No, you can.
Oi.
You never invite water coming from your eyes.
Oi.
The emotion, the feeling
Yeah.
in your heart.
Right.
That's why when somebody preaching and
Yeah.
hit you,
Yeah.
or somebody talking and hit you,
Yeah.
you just stand like this.
Yeah.
You can feel your eyes is coming from the tears.
Right.
You can stand without it. You see the tears coming from the eyes.
Yeah.
That's because the feeling it's been hurting.
Yeah.
So feeling is being manipulated.
Yeah.
The feeling is been monetized.
Warna TikTok.
Yeah.
Wey.
You see?
Yeah,
One
okay.
boy is messaging.
Okay. There's another feeling of love.
Huh.
Where does that feeling come from? Is it in the head or where?
Love.
Yeah.
Back in the days.
Yeah.
Back to the farm.
Right.
We are back now in the farm.
Yeah.
In the farm of Eden.
Yeah.
Where our ancestors come from.
Yeah.
Love was built there. You know?
Yeah.
In this world, without a woman, the world does not fulfill and
Multiply. Right.
Because
Yeah.
we can only move
Yeah.
by a woman. True or false?
False.
You can only move by a woman. That's why a
Yeah.
Barrel company is being continued. Because of the woman.
Yeah.
Without a woman in the grog session,
Yeah.
you'll feel testify.
Yeah, right.
You can testify
Yeah,
on the
testify.
Karamada. Some of us will live.
Yeah.
That is, does not work.
Yeah.
That's why In this world,
Yeah.
without a women,
Yeah.
women play a major role in our life.
Wanna
as
know?
men.
Yeah.
Without women, in
They are
this,
just like what? 60% of our body.
yeah, 60, no, they are 99%. They are 99%. Without girl, without women in our house,
Yeah.
we will feel contaminated.
Feel dry.
Feel dry.
Dear sir,
If we need water,
yeah.
they are there.
We need irrigation.
Irrigation.
Yeah.
And depend, there are different kind of irrigation.
Yeah.
One is this,
Yeah.
splash irrigation.
Okay, last taro this morning.
Come.
It's about our partner who never showed up this morning.
Oh.
Maybe Siko, right?
All right.
What would be the problem for Samu Turangtani for not showing up this morning? In your opinion?
He is a problem. Tamale Samu Turangatani.
Yeah.
He is a problem.
Yeah.
Ana bina turani maniaba pelotos.
Yeah.
He is a
Why?
problem.
Why is Samu the problem? There is...
He is a problem to himself.
Yeah.
Every time he sleep.
Yeah.
Atam ko na loko-loko lalay.
Kona pillowcase.
Sengay.
Iya, nah, kalau lalay nga, kaya nakachi mo ke pillow.
Iyo na ko na loko-loko lalay.
Iya, pila.
Ana pila ko rin na pateta. Nakaten na nga. Nadam ko na kalalay. Kona nito ko naman tamay ko na live eh. Dito ko na tour to nang may balik.
Yeah.
Kara man nunggu.
Mini pillow.
Yeah, na small loko-loko.
Iya. The baby pillow.
Huh?
The baby pillow.
Yeah, that one.
Iya.
So when they doing the thing, he always want to spread.
Iya.
Daw gamu loko-loko ko ya. Daw gamutan na loko-loko.
Kita kailangan nangka murdo takap tuyo so honesto.
Iyo.
Iyo.
Tabale,
Iyo.
he cancel pa kami no nandomia.
Oh, the cushion.
Oh, na kusen ya.
Iya.
Na kusen.
Option.
Option ko na multiple choice. So,
Like option. Iya.
Iya. Isa binabale bu option about kay Solomoni.
Iya.
So the cushion, he always want to use the cushion.
Iya.
The cushion when sleeping.
Iya.
From his starting of lives.
Iya.
Iyo. So he continue on cushion. When he joined to Rewanga,
Iya.
he used the na banana.
Baratab.
Jangan ni baratab. Kona banana,
Iyo.
nangga barada. Napata, pati
Iyo.
ka nanggamure.
Iyo.
Nanggamure kaya baka binakata menro binaka.
Iyo.
Iku mo kila mo roll tak.
Iya.
Mo roll tak mengendro binaka. Kaya baka iku sen roll tak. If you never roll the nanggamure,
Iya.
you'll feel your stomach will not be okay.
Right.
So, he's nanggamure.
Oi.
Nanggamure.
Iya.
Nanggamure and the
So
cushion.
Samu is the problem.
Some is a problem.
Yeah.
He chose the wrong cushion at the wrong time, at the wrong place, at the wrong weather. So whenever he looking for the ngamure, he looking for the cushion, it's
Iya.
gone.
Iya.
But the cushion is very
Iya.
sipi.
Iya.
E baka tunangon ni sipi. E kila e buti ya.
Iya.
When the thing is gone,
Iya.
when the thing gone, the fellow was looking for the cushion.
Right.
He's just taking the cushion, and it's small.
Iya.
But one thing.
Iya.
The guinea pig was taken. Atarame na guinea pig. Gaya guinea pig, he always mula na with the para. He like the para and everything. He take it.
How many guinea pigs Samu have?
Only 4. He take the 4, the one. Kaya nung mukha siya nga talango. 2, kaya karua. O tiya satu mo na loloma. Sangga binakatukas siya nga. E na mo si meron lerua. Wala merto sa main 2 batanga. And you know, sir, when they sangay pinakatuka, may merto may walo batake na ni bata-bata.
We are family.
We are family. We are nuclear family. Sir, tungkay tutubi. When they tutubi, and the fella was like this.
Yeah.
No, siya sutin ba? Sangay pinakatuka, may demo taka. He was to demo. He was to demo to the guinea pig.
What love is.
What love is.
Yeah.
Okay, you need to do this. Sangka tara kone apa na? Sangka membita na kami lain domila. Erto sangka sar tumira na guinea pig. Angge poko ka. This is love. Love will keep us alive. Nito lang pula. Sana naman sila orto na ngone. Orto na giripig de sa kota sarang ako.
Arto bos kami bota mata na guinea pig. Imboso, iku musilita taka. Arto kurang gini pik. Arto lo mata besar tuh sa mga tamat.
Apa ngor to? Amat tadi sutu ko, tadi sutu kantor ito meliu. Ano pinakatamali sa mo? Wana tapos sa matumikin ng kere-kere mo may laka-laka.
Oy, sekali.
Kalau punca semata kay Binod Hotel, we love you all.
Kere mo sa mo. Ar sa ulun robot to. Alun to hotel lang na gini. Ato sampo si. Satu lagi debe to. Lalu to mata. Imposo. Pinakatake mo le nakatake. Ay, sekali.
Alam mo na nakata-kata umposo. Salo mo isulo to mataro to. Ato de mo menangon ng King Kong saro mo ramambam.
Elay. Tangi bantan talingin ko. Talaga ipo meriwa ka. Ay, sekali.
Sesen ni Litorta. New Zealand, Gisborne crew ni
Oh, tiyan mo na kamay ano po ni Mono. Ay, ya bina ka kiyo talo taki samuturan tayo ka mataka di kuha. Ni kirong giring-girit ko ay warin basi ka masabi na kasar mes politik ba bina kabaya. Meron ni buni mana. Woi, sekali.
Binabalibu.
Ni kaya ngubulo-bulo to ko tabole mo sabu.
Oh.
Ko na bulo-bulo cukup ya.
Ko minta ya waki kwek kalau lawan datakan biti kan tatali.
Aruna ka solbo di matau. Turang tahu jeta dimbiar bena ka samita cumengo mai avatiu error tonga. Ena tuku kapita Horace Junior. Ana bena pita.
Atu ko na mengoto kena maleka.
Kero iko kiri suka mga pita.
Ang gurit ko apa kaono?
Iyo.
O tiya kene kami tung kami ngiri teke.
Right.
Siya man ni receive.
Right. Angke bina kaya. Angke bina kami tengi tiyan talingan na meriwanga. Iya.
Met bulawa. O
Ni karo na numiko chika no kay wari na numiki andor chika mai.
Iya.
Iya.
Vale. Oh, Wex, so temo tiko yang rabi naka Wex. Ave kem simbalewai.
Yanra.
Solomon ni matau. Yang rabi naka.
Sa. Pokoknya bina kapira na luben, tano bukunin kita na singin ni mata.
Kung binaka na jeans,
Iya.
kinaralo.
Naman na sarang gitu chingo.
Iya.
Libro bimbo pala yan na mo na libo-libo.
Iya.
Ya, kaya ko na iyo. Bikim nino ka darit. Pokoknya bina kapira kita na